Which teacher in high school did I have a crush on?
For some reason, one teacher are ringing in my mind. But I've heard she mention about one particular teacher, but I'm not too sure if that's the name that goes with it. I mean, I think I'm Mr. Pizer.
Seriously, Leonard? Come on, man.
What do you think made me happy?
Peace and quiet. Respect. Am I wrong? Alright. Which one?
I never know say no. That's how you pop the balloon.
Love a blood too big. I'm going to stop it now.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Welcome people.
Today we're popping balloons.
Yes guys.
Why not?
We're doing the pop the balloon or separate.
Pop the balloon challenge.
No, it can't be pop the balloon or stay together. Yes. Yeah. Pop the balloon or stay together.
Okay, pop or stay. Alright.
Pop or stay.
Pop
right?
or stay.
So Leah and I will be celebrating our 8 years anniversary soon.
8 years. Wow.
Wedding anniversary, that is. We've been together for 17 years, right?
I said 17? Was it 17 last year?
16 and 34. 16
People, a long time we lose count.
Yeah, from high school. So it's been a while. Stay with me. So we're going to see how much Leo knows me and vice versa. Or vice versa, right?
Guys, what do you think? She know me?
I think so.
Or me know her? What? Me know her more or she know me more? What do you think? Eh?
Woman,
Pussy.
better memory. We have better memory than
better memory. Okay. Right.
But right now, I had 3 kids, so with each kid a piece going.
I see. Alright then.
Alright, so let's get straight into this pop the balloon challenge.
Alright.
What's the first question, babe?
Name 3. Well, what is my nickname growing up?
Greg or Gregory?
Greg or Gregory. Okay, that's good.
Alright. Wait, me to know your nickname. Alright. So what is 3 of my nicknames growing up? 3.
Guys, me ask her if name my nickname, you know. She has said 3. Not the balance.
Leo, me don't care.
Alright, not the
3
balance.
of my
Alright,
nicknames.
no problem. So you have Kironi. You have Macaroni.
Okay.
She always tell me to, you know, guys. So let me think hard for
no.
try remember after. Hold on. Guys, I too she always tell me.
Kironi, macaroni. What is on the pop? Melo, maga. I don't know maga. She do maga like sweet. Alright. Me give you. You can say maga. Kironi macaroni. Maga matches. Maga matches stick. Yeah. Anything maga. She know what even one guys. I told him she said no. Let me tell you all of them.
So the next question for you is what is my favorite movie?
I would not say Leo has a movie. I think he prefers action movies, but he does not have a favorite movie per se. Am I correct?
You're correct.
Exactly.
You're correct.
So Leo, what is my favorite movie? Yes, what's my favorite movie? And let me give you
favorite movie.
Alright, you don't want to hint.
Go on, talk one.
I watched this movie from I was going to university, and I told you that it was the best movie I ever watched. from I go university, I watch this movie and I told you about it. I think I watched it on your computer. My computer stopped working and I borrowed yours.
I'm just gonna do a wild guess because I have no idea what this movie is.
But I told you about it.
Was I there?
No, but I told you about it. I think we watched it together, Leonard. Not the first time that I watched it, but probably after, yeah.
So watch it more than once?
Yeah. But not since recently. I'm not being.
Bold and the Beautiful.
What a shame. But the Beautiful.
Of course, Bold and the Beautiful
it's
is that
not
one.
even a movie.
I don't know which movie.
In Time. You remember me watch it? Me tell you something love In Time. Yeah.
Am I an introvert or an extrovert?
Alright, let me answer this question, yeah? I would say both. It all depends on the situation. But he's more an introvert, but he can be extroverted when it's needed. For example, you're extrovert around close friends, or he's more an extrovert when persons will call to us on the road. I would say a little bit of both, but I'll lean more towards an introvert. What do you say?
Apparently she know me, you know.
What am I?
You?
Mm-hmm.
She is a total opposite from me. On the inside, she can't stop talking. She's very extroverted on the inside, like inside her home. When she's on the road, she's an introvert. She doesn't want to talk to anybody. She's like socially awkward. Yeah.
No.
But when she's around friends and close persons who she's comfortable around, the extrovert in her actually comes out.
And I know to express myself when necessary.
Of course,
but I am.
But she chooses not to.
But
on the outside.
Yeah, I'm more.
Except when she's close to you or she feels comfortable around you.
Yeah.
Then you can't get her to stop being extroverted.
Okay, Leonard. Okay, whatever.
Yeah, that's her.
Alright, so the next question is what is my grandmother's name? Father's mother's name. What is my grandma's name?
You couldn't just say grandma. I mean, just choose one. Seriously,
Alright, Alright, I was trying to make it easier for you because I think you would know that one.
Just tell me grandma.
Any grandma. Any grandma then.
Alright. Grandma name. He's well on the man, you want pop the balloon son.
Come on, man, you're taking too long.
Well, I never think, man. Your grandmother and your grandmother name is Mrs. Myers. No. What you put balloon for?
Which Mrs. Myers?
Mrs. Myers they call her.
She married near Myers.
Mrs. Myers they call her.
You know something that me talk about.
A name.
What's her first name?
Mrs.
What's
Myers.
her first name?
When you have respect for people, you call them by them.
Yeah, you have to.
You call us Mr. and Miss and them someday.
Okay, you know something that me ask.
And you call them by them last name. You don't call them by them first name. So Mrs. Myers, it is not wrong.
My grandma's name was Martha. You know, first I hear that name, Martha?
I didn't first hear it, but I don't remember it.
Damn! But me know your grandparents' name.
I don't probably become talk about it.
So me never talk about my grandma name.
No,
because me know sell your granny name, Granny.
If me alright, talk about Granny. Hold on.
Granny, dear Granny.
That's the answer?
Leah, you always just say Granny. Talk truth.
Alright. Let me ask it officially. What is my... You know what? Now make it all easy. Any one of my grandma them. What is first name?
Well, me know say your grandfather name Grandpa Baba.
Oh, grandfather originally. This is grandmother.
Only Grandpa Baba alone me know. Me don't know. Wait. Mrs. Young. Since they want to bring you out Mrs. Myers.
Bob, that's wrong. Since I give my Mrs. Myers wrong, so feel Mrs. Young wrong.
But at least me know one grandpa name and no Baba. Uncle.
Me never ask about grandfather. Me ask about grandmother.
Well, me don't know grandma. Me just know grandma.
Wrong.
But Leo, you call her Granny. Yeah, call your granny nothing but granny.
Me don't call my granny nothing but granny and granny.
No, but if you have spoken and told me that
No,
granny
but
name, a particular
me mention granny name enough time.
Let me tell you, no, you may have, listen, you may have mentioned your father's mommy name once upon a time. I may ever hear you say a granny. This is my favorite food.
Food?
Mm-hmm.
Your favorite food?
Mm-hmm.
For your favorite food right about now, either oxtail or curry goat, you know. And you want, what are the meat done?
No.
I think out loud now.
No, I use it.
Oh. Sure.
Seriously, Leo? What's wrong with you?
Alright, so for your favorite food is, you want to know something?
Nigga, oxtail. Oxtail. Seriously, our birthdays, let me tell you, bye.
Shrimps.
Oh, shit.
How the hell would you say oxtail?
You know why we say oxtail, guys? Because I spend up my money and buy all the oxtail.
Yeah, even curry goat, where curry goat come from? Where curry goat come from?
Really and truly, it was like chicken in my mind.
Yeah.
Chicken in my mind, oxtail in my mind, or curry goat.
And shrimps not
For
nowhere
some reason, shrimp just never in my mind at all. But really and truly.
Gentleman has shown me how much years we get together, 16 years. Oh, you love oxtail too? But I love it more than shrimp, no? Okay. Well, the reason why I buy the oxtail is because a long time we not eat it. That's the only reason. I love oxtail but not more than shrimps. Every birthday, every special occasion, I tell you buy shrimp. If I go out, I add a shrimp.
That's true, but because you do like shrimp, probably that's why I love to.
But me, you know your favorite food.
You know my favorite food?
Yeah.
Rice and peas and chicken.
She get it wrong now.
What your favorite food? They don't have a favorite food, but if you must choose, they would have just choose the basic rice and peas and French fried chicken.
Oh! You have the French fried chicken.
Yeah, French fried.
Chicken can be anything. Chicken can be cooked down, chicken can be curry.
You don't notice, you don't say a trend here. So I know more than you, where you know than me. When you notice that Leonard read that bust my balloon them, I only for the granny situation.
I should make sure I be kind to the guys, but she, you know, she just want to bust all of my balloons.
No, because I get that wrong. Like,
right.
seriously.
Hold on. Let me ask you one, because you come go and like say, me don't know nothing about you, and you know everything.
No,
alright.
I say me know more, you don't know nothing so far.
What's my shoe size?
10. Me not even ever think about that.
10.
Yes, 10.
10.
Lena, your shoe size is 10. Me no, alright, bust it. And you see, going forward, just by 10 and a half. So when you say no, man, and so you look at me like I'm a 10. A 10 you wear?
Yeah, a 10 you wear.
I thought you bought a 10 and a half, but a 10 you wear. Yeah, I know.
Can you ask me one question now?
So which size me
Size
wear?
6.
No.
Maybe no.
Tell this my person.
No. You cheat, not this or something.
No, me not cheat. You listen me out, yeah?
No.
Leo.
Not before pregnancy, after pregnancy business.
No, but which size do I wear? No. I wear a 6 and a half.
So what I know? Yo, stop.
Leonard, Leo, I used to wear a size 6.
Listen to me.
Listen, I used to wear a size 6, and from me have Araya starting 3 soon, my foot them a 6 and a half. True, which size this me have? No 6 and a half. Any shoes when me buy, me put a half size up, Leo. Give me the something.
So what you gonna do with? So what's it for?
Because you get it wrong, you tell me say a size 6.
This here I go on. I think she really weird now. Same way. I just said the 6 and a half kind of bit more comfortable. No, but something man, sure. I 6 year weird man. Your whole life I 6 year weird until Araya.
Yeah.
Almost 3 now.
Yeah, but me start.
where
I
just 3 years ago that.
Yeah.
So your whole rest of your life I 6 year weird, eh?
Me start by 6 and a half because it feel more. Probably in slippers mode, I probably still buy a 6, but like in sneakers,
You can't get me wrong for that one.
but I take up a 6 and a half.
You can't get me wrong for that one. 6 it is. This is a very tricky one now. What do you think make me happy?
Peace and quiet. Respect. Am I wrong? Alright. Which one?
Me never know say you do. Me never know say you do at all. No, sir, what is this? Hey!
You're too lick. Maybe you don't know.
Oh, I understand you.
So when you think make me happy? When you think make me happy? But you don't know, say no. If you don't know, you won't be here. At 16 years we attack. Quick, keep my mouth. What make me happy?
I make you happy? Let me tell you what makes she happy. Giving her emotional support that make her happy. Yeah. She go wild panda one day. If you're not getting emotional support, believe me, you're gonna feel.
Leonard, I know that's not the answer I'm looking for. What would make me just feel nice and just relax and feel happy?
Alright. You want the answer then?
Yes.
Money.
No.
Money! What
One nice clean house. I always miserable for a place disarray. When me tell you I want for my anniversary.
Every man will watch this no
Leonard, when me tell you I want for my anniversary, me tell you say get the people them to come and deep clean the place. I'll be so
every
happy.
man where I watch this no say.
No, but I don't know about the man them, about me.
About you?
What did I tell you I want for the anniversary? I said get the people then to come deep clean the place. You know, say me miserable went on the place in a disarray. You know, say even when I feel pain and sick, me still a straighten up a place. True or false? I feel better when the place better.
You see how me go deep in the first answer? I'm talking about the emotional support where she really, you know,
that me look for.
She's saying that she look for. And money and next one.
No, Leonard. To be honest, you don't know me.
Man.
We are talking about money and
Clean
something
house.
there.
You should like when the house clean.
Leonard, you know sad that make me feel good.
That make you feel happy. A clean house.
Yeah.
No problem.
What is my most proud moment? What am I most proud of?
Guys, it can be so many things. That's a very tricky type of question.
Which one?
Well, most proud moment.
Our moments.
Your kids them and graduating from university. What? From there?
Yes, me graduated from university. Look how far that day.
Yeah, I mean for some people
Probably
that's a good achievement, you understand?
Probably when I was like 23, I'm 10 years and plus one above that. That would have been my most proud moment then.
Well, your kids them.
But let's say probably the milestone them. See them milestone, alright, especially alright reading early and seeing them develop and the persons them but they are becoming basically.
What do you think is my most proudest moment?
Proudest moment? Family.
Yeah, that's yes, family for me.
Family.
Having a family. Yeah, I'm very proud of that. Always wanted to have a family. Alright, what's your favorite number? What's my favorite number? Which number? Which number is that?
You can't go with
You can't talk.
3.
Okay, yes.
Duh.
Yes, it's true.
That's the favorite number me know. I better say you don't know my favorite number. Even though I always tell him.
Oh, I'm supposed to answer.
What's my favorite number? What's my favorite number be?
Your favorite number?
Yes.
That's a simple question.
Yes.
Her favorite number is number 7.
Baby, I don't know. 17. I don't finish. It's a 7. I'm a pause.
17.
No, it would have been.
Not finish.
No, you're wrong. 17
finish.
hard to talk.
No, Mr.
You
7.
said no.
Mr. 7.
Listen. You said.
Well, no.
You said. Her favorite number is number 7. 1, 2, 3,
No.
4. Boom.
May I catch my breath?
No.
10. Memory of us.
I would say when we first met.
Will the balloon there, please, and thank you.
Wait, no, me just.
Well,
Remember double think. I don't know what I first meet and you hold me and Alright, let me think. Me just say I think, but when me would have think said that would have make it one nice memory. But let me think apart from that.
You can't think too long in a minute.
Leo, wait now. Oh, the kiss, the first kiss.
Yes, you get it right.
Like seriously, be.
The first kiss when I lift up my foot like Cinderella.
From
that time, I still lift up my foot again now.
Which teacher in high school did I have a crush on?
For some reason, one teacher are ringing on my mind. But I've heard she mention about one particular teacher, but I'm not too sure if that's the name that goes with it. I think I'm surprised.
Seriously? Seriously, Leonard? Come on, man. Right? Like, seriously, yo? He was Mr. Miller.
Mr. Miller?
Yes, he was
that
short and he was cute.
Oh.
That was just in grade 7.
But you name?
No mention Mr.
I'm surprised I was who?
The music teacher.
Oh, the man there.
Not cute. What are you talking about?
Oh, sorry. I think of that thing. Okay.
But it was a brief period in a grade 7. Oh, it's so cute. Big up Mr. Miller. He's married now with him children.
So now ask me.
Me tell her the big batty teacher.
Which big batty teacher that? Miss Gonzalez? Miss Gonzalez?
I know she and a Spanish teacher.
That's not big batty teacher.
Shape.
No man, you mixed them up now.
It's either Miss Gonzalez or the one with the shape. Spanish teacher.
Shape.
Grandison.
Grandison?
You never know Grandison?
No, sir.
You never like her?
I know her, but she never teach me.
But you never like her. It's kind of so cute
No.
that time.
No man.
So Miss Gonzalez?
No, Miss Gonzalez was a very good maths teacher. But
We cannot call out their name, so?
why not? That's what them name. Baby, now you just like, oh, come on, man.
I don't know. Me never dey look for females, so I would not know. Me never dey look for nobody. Me just say man, me book people.
No, I would think my high school teacher crush probably was Miss Sims. Yeah, she was a very
Miss
nice.
Sims?
Yes, she was a very nice Spanish teacher.
Okay.
And I always got like
Miss
90s.
Sims, she didn't.
90s
Miss Sims are
class.
dark teacher.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dark and
me
sweet.
never.
Oh, you never to know her?
No, me know Miss Grandis, so she taught me.
Oh. Guys, although she popped most of my balloons them, I am a guy.
We don't remember nothing.
Yes.
Me remember
Yes,
everything
I
about
true
Leo.
that.
Like
I true
seriously, I told you from my 16, me know everything about Leo. Leo don't know nothing about me. That's even my favorite food people.
No, me know, but me just never remember. You understand?
Food, Leo.
Me just never remember. And your number 217, yeah, me know that too.
Yeah, but you just say it.
As me say, I start
know-
out, but me never.
Whatever,
finish
Leonard.
it,
You never remember. You think of 7.
So are you win then?
Of course, I'm me win.
So you know more than
Yes.
you know more than me then.
Comment down below, guys, if you know one part 2. Yeah.
Or say what, shame me again?
Share me again, yes.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching our version of Pop the Balloon or Stay Together. Do you think we should stay together? You think you deserve it? You don't know nothing about me, people. Or me just pop the balloon again, eh?
You want to share pop balloon? You want to share pop balloon? Alright.
Until next time. Bye, guys.